What's up everybody, S.Hair here. So today we're talking Samsung. Now with Samsung's event coming up on the 25th, we basically know everything there really is to know about this new phone, the S9. Their invitation says that we're talking about the S9. They have a big 9 plastered all over it. And we also know that we're going to be talking a lot about this camera. Again, invitation says camera reimagined. Now the two things that we don't know about the phone are the release date and the battery size. I mean, so much stuff has been leaked. Now, Unbox Therapy even has a clone that they got their hands on, and I'll link that video down below. Dbrand has links available to pre-order skins for an S9 or an S9 Plus, and I'll actually link those down below as well. And now, if you go to the Dbrand site to pre-order a skin, you see two things. One jumps out at you immediately, the other not so much unless you go to both the S9 and S9 Plus. So now the first thing is the fingerprint reader is underneath the camera, whereas on the S8 and S8 Plus, it was next to the camera. And I think that's gonna be big for a lot of people. Number two is on the S9, if you go to that link, you'll see that they have a single lens versus the S9 Plus, you have a double lens. This isn't something new. This is a marketing tactic, and they want you to buy the bigger phone, the S9 Plus. And we have seen that it works. So since we're talking Samsung, I want to bring up one last final thought, and that is the foldable phone that we're supposed to see in 2018. There hasn't been much talk about it. We haven't seen too much about it. There hasn't been any leaks or anything like that. I don't suspect to see this at the event on 25th because that'll draw attention away from the S9, but if it made an appearance, that'd be pretty cool. Now this foldable phone will probably be its own market, similar to what Samsung did with the Note. Now the president of mobile business for Samsung, I believe that's the title, has said that we will see something in 2018 for this foldable phone. So it's going to be interesting to see when this comes up. It'll most likely be later on in the year, probably around that, August to October-ish time frame, maybe a few months before or a few months after the Note 9 is announced. Now the foldable phone is obviously something that we really want to see, and now there's a foldable phone that's actually sold in the States by ZTE, and it's available actually on AT&T. And Unbox Therapy got their hands on this phone, and I'll actually link that in the description down below as well. Now what I do think might happen is that we could see what the technology behind it will be at this event. Now we've seen some technology at CES that gave some hints to this foldable phone, and I think in the next few months we'll see some more technology that'll point towards this foldable phone that we should be expecting in 2018. So guys, that was us talking Samsung today. Now I am still excited about this S9 event on the 25th. I'll be tuned in and watching, as I'm sure some of you will be as well. And I'm excited for this foldable phone and what this technology could bring. Samsung loves to push that technology bar just a little bit higher and higher, and it's just going to be exciting to see. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button, and I hope you subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.